So today we're going to use live oak and purple oak. It's pretty good. I'll take it. Wait. I've got to break in here for a moment. This is actually a project that I'm doing as a collaboration with Rogoff. He is a 14-year-old woodworker from India doing some amazing things with basically no tools at all. And I love his go-to attitude on it. So we're going to be doing something fun for him, but once you're done with this video, go take a look at his video as well, and we'll see what he can make. Ooh. And a quarter. Now would never have thought about putting the salt on the floor before putting rubber down. Two and a half inches. I want to make it thicker than that. No. Can you go the other way? Okay.
You might think stay out of it.
We're going to make dovetails, but without the dovetails. left, right. T-O-P, right, so that goes there. That is that a little bit more. That's it. Finally. There. That's close. Let's detail it. Ah, stink. Gotta rewind this. All the tape came out. That's tight. That's really tight. I do not want to jam that together. A little bit off of that side. Oh man, that's close. Yeah, that's better. Little bit doot 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 doot, little bit doot 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 doot, little bit doot doot. It's a bit off. Oh, stink. Ta-da! Somewhere around there. I'm gonna cut this off. And yes, if you look closely, there are actually brass shavings in there because you can plane brass. So let's try. Guess it's center. And then, that's pretty close to center. I'll take it. And I want switching back and forth. Let's see. Is that wide enough? Hey, there's the width I want. Hey, I like that. Homemade boiled linseed oil. Homemade boiled linseed oil. Oh, live oak. Live oak, I love you. Hard, cold butter. So the things about this, I put this on here, get those. And now, on soft bread, I can spread small chunks. Gotta love me some butter. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So there you have it. We have a butter dish. This is made with my new favorite tool for working with cold butter. You can actually scrape it off and apply cold butter. Yes, happiness. And I just like how this all holds together in a simple dish. This is exactly what I want. Finished with my homemade boiled linseed oil.
Wait. But what if you don't have some fancy homemade boiled linseed oil? Like the store-bought version that has all those chemical dryers.
Well, yes. What finish do you actually use?
So in my shop, I generally use a cooking oil or olive oil to polish if I require like a food safe finish, because that works just as well. And since we use cooking oil to while cooking, of course, so that would mean it's food safe, so that actually gives a nice it pops the grain really well, and also it gives a really nice finish. So you can use cooking oil or olive oil. That works really well if you don't have like access to a fancy homemade boiled linseed oil without the chemical dryers. So that's a really great alternative.
That's very true. Basically, any oil that can polymerize can be a great food safe finish. Once it's polymerized, there you go. That's what you need. And especially with something with a butter dish where it's just going to have butter coating it all the time. Really, a lot of the simple oils work phenomenally on this. So I would definitely say go take a look at Raghav's video. I'll leave a link to that down below. Also, I'm leaving a link to a GoFundMe down below. I want to actually raise some money to get this guy some tools because he's making some amazing things with absolutely nothing at all. And I'd love to see what he can do with some proper tools. So if you'd like to help out with that, we're going to be raising money on GoFundMe, and I'm going to be buying some tools for him in India, as well as we're going to be shipping some out to him. If you'd like to help out with that, let me know, and go click that GoFundMe link down below. So it's a complete surprise to Raghav, but thank you for having a little bit of fun with me and making a butter dish. If you do like this video, please hit like, comment, share, subscribe. All those things really do help out the channel. And I do answer as many comments as I can possibly get to. I read through them all, so thank you for commenting down below. On top of that, I do want to say a huge thank you to the patrons on Patreon and members here on the channel. Everyone's scrolling over on the side. They are really, literally keeping the channel going. Without members and Patreon, this channel wouldn't exist. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, you can click the little join button, or you can go down below and become a member on Patreon. There's a link to that down in the description below. So on that note, I think that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. I like to let my woodworking know that it is greatly appreciated. Most places they call that buttering it up.